You need to watch this if you're bored of eating the same old breakfast every day. This shake isn't just healthy, it's a party in your blender. Stick around for the easiest recipe ever. Alright, let's get blending. Grab a handful of your favorite dry fruits. Almonds, cashews, and walnuts work great. Don't forget a couple of dates for natural sweetness. Toss them in your blender. Now add a banana. It makes the shake creamy and adds a boost of energy. Feeling fancy? Throw in some apple or berries too. The more the merrier. Pour in a cup of milk, regular almond or oat milk, whatever floats your boat. Hit that blend button and watch the magic happen. In just 30 seconds, you've got a thick, yummy shake loaded with vitamins and good fats. Pour it into your favorite glass. Sprinkle a little cinnamon on top if you're feeling wild, and boom, breakfast is served. Who knew healthy could taste this awesome? Start your day with this shake and your body will thank you. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to hit like, smash that subscribe button, and share with your friends. Here's to happy, healthy mornings.